Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another episode on Stance TV. Today we're going to be doing a quick demo / review on Detailed Images orifice. It's a 1.1 millimeter orifice for low pressure washers. I'm using personally a Ryobi 2000 psi pressure washer with Trinova's foam cannon. The orifice is supposed to give you better, thicker foam. I've seen a few videos online, not just on this specific orifice but on others, and overall it does a pretty good job. So I was very curious about it. Of course, when you're foaming a car, when you're washing it, you want thicker foam. It's going to stay on there longer instead of just washing right off. So I thought I'd give it a shot. I picked it up for $9.99. I know they offer some kind of like free shipping discount on your first order, which in my case it was. I'll leave a link below with the information, a direct link to it. So if you guys are interested, you're more than welcome, of course, purchase one. But we are going to be doing a side-by-side comparison of the stock one that the foam cannon came with, and then versus the detailed image one. And it's very simple. I've loosened mine up. Mine uses a 5/8 wrench, but all we're actually doing is taking this off, and then we're going to unscrew that with the flathead screwdriver. Sorry about that. And then we're going to replace it with this orifice, and that's right here. And then personally, I understand it does come with the gasket, but personally I'm gonna use a little bit of Teflon just to make sure it doesn't leak, and then screw it back on, and then we'll see what it looks like side by side. Let me know what you guys think below in the comments. I'd appreciate it. Hopefully it does a better job, and we'll see how it does. Alright guys, there it is. Let me know what you guys thought in the comments below. I personally saw a slight difference, nothing major of course, but let me know what you guys thought. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, thanks.